Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable push notifications for friends' activities on Facebook Web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever found those alerts a bit intrusive, this walkthrough will help you silence them without losing any other important notifications. First, open Facebook on your web browser and sign in if you aren't already. You'll want to be on your main newsfeed page so you can access the settings easily. From there, look toward the top right corner of the screen where your profile photo sits. Click that profile picture to reveal a small drop-down menu with several options. In the drop-down, locate and select Settings and Privacy. This expands another menu where you'll find the path to your account preferences. Click Settings to move into the deeper control panel for your Facebook experience. It's here that you can tailor a lot of the way Facebook communicates with you. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a list of categories: Find and Click Notifications. This is the central hub for how you receive alerts, reminders, and updates from Facebook. It can feel overwhelming, but the sections are logically organized and you're aiming for a specific toggle. Within notifications, you'll come across a section labeled Updates from Friends. This is where push notifications specific to friends' activities live. Look for the push option within this section. You'll notice a switch or toggle next to push. To disable these alerts, simply switch it off. By turning off push for updates from friends, you'll stop those real-time push alerts from appearing on your device while still keeping other notification channels like email or in-app alerts if you prefer. If you ever want to revert, you can return to the same path and re-enable push for updates from friends with the toggle. It's a quick change that doesn't affect your other notification settings. That's all there is to it. A few taps and your Facebook experience on desktop becomes a quieter space tailored to your preferences.